Do you have an itchy, greasy, and white flakes of skin on your scalp right now? If you answered as yes, your head scalp is most likely suffering from dandruff. Dandruff is a common skin ailment that can be hard to treat. Dandruff are caused by dry skin, skin allergy, fungus, stress, and dietary deficiencies in vitamin B and zinc. But fear not, there are numerous home remedies that you can apply on a daily basis to eliminate dandruff permanently. In this video, we will show you how you may apply the list of simple dandruff natural remedies that are so easy to use, and these remedies can be found right in your kitchen. Knowing what causes dandruff can help you find efficient remedies to get rid of it. Here is the list of home remedies that will help you effectively eliminate dandruff. Baking soda. Baking soda absorbs excess oily and waxy substance produced by the scalp and prevents it from turning into dandruff. It also has antifungal effects that act as exfoliants, eliminating dead skin cells and restoring the scalp's normal condition. To apply, mix 1 cup of baking soda with 2 cups of water. Mix it thoroughly. Apply immediately to wet hair, and massage it into your scalp. Allow it to remain for 2 minutes before shampooing your hair. Apple cider vinegar. Because of its antibacterial and antioxidant characteristics, apple cider vinegar is commonly used in natural home remedies. Scalp itching and dandruff are among issues that apple cider vinegar can help with. How to do it? Massage apple cider vinegar into your scalp to reach your follicles and to remove any buildup of white particles, while also balancing the oil production. This is one of the most effective methods for maintaining scalp healthy and keeping it clean. Prepare 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 9 tablespoons of water in a cup. Massage apple cider vinegar into your hair and scalp gently. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing it out with a gentle shampoo. Apply conditioner. Do this 2 times a week. Tea tree oil. Tea tree essential oil is one of the best solutions and a good substitute for those who prefer natural treatments. It is not only efficient in treating dandruff, but also well accepted by the majority of people. The oil has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, and aids in the reduction of yeast buildup in the scalp, which causes dandruff. To apply, add 10 drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo bottle and shake it briskly. Massage it first into your scalp gently, and then massage it into the hair. Allow for at least 5 minutes before fully rinsing. It soothes and reduces flakiness by functioning as a natural conditioner. Warning: tea tree oil should not be applied directly to the skin or scalp, because it might cause irritation and itching. Coconut oil. Over the years, coconut oil has been regarded as one of the most effective natural treatments for dandruff. Coconut oil for dandruff has proven to be the finest remedy, because of its high moisture content, antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It removes excess oil on the scalp, and also moisturizes the scalp. Coconut oil is high in fatty acids, which might help to regulate your scalp's dryness, and eliminate white flakes. It also provides soothing the itching and irritation treatment. Prepare 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Rub directly the oil into the scalp. After rubbing the oil, cover the head with shower cap. Allow 30 minutes for it to sit. To avoid greasy, wash and remove thoroughly with the use of gentle shampoo. To ensure that all flakes are eliminated, comb your hair from the base of your scalp to the tips of your hair. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is extremely effective at getting rid of dandruff and dry scalp. Its antifungal and moisturizing characteristics that make it a cost-efficient and effective dandruff treatment. Aloe Vera has a lot of minerals, vitamins, and fatty acids. It also possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities, which makes it useful for treating wounds, burn, and skin irritation. To apply, scoop out the gel in aloe vera. Apply the gel immediately to your scalp. Use a shower cap to cover it. Leave it for a few hours. Using lukewarm water. Wash your hair and scalp. Do this 2 times a week. Olive oil. Olive oil has incredible nourishing characteristics, including it into your beauty routine can drastically improve the condition of your skin and hair. When applied to the scalp, the oil has antioxidant effects, and not only heals dandruff but also enhances hair growth. Olive oil is also recognized for having a high concentration of fatty acids, which protect your hair from humidity, pollutants, and ultraviolet exposure. To use the olive oil, use a pan to heat the oil. Massage the warm oil into the scalp for a few minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly your scalp and hair with water and shampoo. Dandruff is a challenging problem to deal with, however there are a number of natural solutions that can help relieve symptoms. You may try the natural solution discussed on this video the next time you notice white flakes on your scalp. Consult a dermatologist if these remedies don't provide long-term relief.
We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.